The people who do more than they are paid for will soon be paid more than they do.
Big up the boss himself, Sean Paul. The Grammy-winning dancehall icon just showed love to his crew in true Duddy style, gifting each member of his team his signature Duddy Rock gold chain. It's not just jewelry, it's a symbol of loyalty, success, and family. From the stage to the studio, Sean Paul never forgets the people who help keep the fire blazing.
Alright, we hear a quote to the scene. Get a quote to the we say.
Hey.
The people who do more than they are paid for will soon be paid more than they do.
Okay.
Scene?
Yes.
Let's go and open the bag then, please.
Yeah, man. 24 karat on a stainless steel.
Much respect, you, isn't it?
Lucky rocking on my chain.
My crew. Yeah, right away.